Hi, my name is Stephanie. I work at GRIT. We are a family-centered inclusion supports program for children with disabilities. We work with the families in the community settings and education settings and help children thrive and be included within the communities. This is our Veyron Learning Lab. Evolution AV installed 3 displays and the sound system and the high quality camera to provide us with video conferencing at the touch of a button. I would say this AV equipment helps us bring better training, more visual training, as we are all visual, to life. With regards to any of the conferencing that we do at the moment. It brings people closer together and it helps them better visualize what we're trying to teach them. I would definitely recommend Evolution AV to anyone interested in bringing a room like this together. They're great to work with, friendly, helpful, responsive, they're knowledgeable. And I think they're just, from the get-go, have been great to work with.